Yurika, kumusta kayong lahat? Today I am here in Tower Mall and I found this super nice and cute place called Create Art. Come on, let's check it out.
Doon ko po natutunan na ito pala yung community na gusto ko pong pagsilbihan.
He blessed me. He blessed me with these thoughts and these ideas to put it together.
As soon as you step inside in this Create Art studio here in Tower Mall, you'll immediately feel how huge, relaxing, and welcoming the space is. They have a dedicated area for workshops and different art and craft activities. Perfect for kids, adults, and even group bonding sessions. You can try deep painting, enjoy fun art and craft projects, do coloring activities, and even make your own slime. And the best part? There are so many different toppings and design options you can choose from to customize your artwork and slime creations. It's not just an art space, it's a place where creativity, fun, and relaxation come together. After touring you here, definitely I can recommend that this place is for people who really love to have their creativity and also some fun moments with your family or even with your friends. So, come on, please try going here.